In this demo, we will show you how to use MS Access in conjunction with MS Outlook to create a data collection survey, as an example, and be able to distribute that to a number of individuals through their emails, as well as have it automatically respond and populate into an MS Access database. We first start with creating a table where we will store the data once it is returned. And in this case, we have a number of fields here. We have this is an example of a brief food survey where we have a collection ID, which is an auto-numbered field, and the data that we're going to collect will have gender, age, and some food categories like ice cream, cookies, spinach, steak, and fish. Now, once we have that table created, we then go to the External Data tab in the database and click on Create Mail and create email. And once we create email, it will pull up a dialog box that will look just like this. And once we click on the next button, it gives us the option of putting it into an HTML form or info path form, but we'll use the HTML form. We then select the fields, and in this case we're going to select all the fields to be used in the collection effort. We then also click the box on the next screen that says automatically process the replies into our database. We will enter the email addresses to whom we're sending this survey to in Outlook once we go to Outlook. We then are given a pre-formatted screen, which I've edited here, and you can see that the wording I've used is, we are conducting a survey of random residents of our county. Please take a moment to respond to the following food survey. All responses are confidential. And then I've put some explanation in as to how to respond to the categories. For example, for gender, please respond M or F for male or female. And for each food item, please respond either yes if you like the food item or no if you don't. And then we thank our respondents. Now once we have edited that form, we then click Next. And we are given the option to actually create the Outlook message that will pop up. So we need to now click the Create button, and it will take us to a Microsoft Office screen that actually is pre-formatted. And if you look at how the pre-formatting works here, we have the space to put in the addresses, obviously. The message that I compiled in the previous screen is now in the message area of the Outlook message, and then right below that is a pre-formatted screen that has all the categories so that they're able to respond in these blocked off areas with their particular responses. And then once we're satisfied, we have all the emails in there. Now I will send this to one of my email addresses. And once we have it all set and we're done, we just click the send to submit it. And so we'll send it here. Now, you think that's the end. Well, at this point, the message has been sent to the email, and once the responses are returned, we would be able to see the answers pop up directly in our database that we have put together here in this table. Hope this helps.